everything got to be Wally.
Hello, Bear.
Come here, Bear. Come here, buddy.
Bear, you're just trying to help him, aren't you?
Come here, buddy.
I'm trying to step on the thing.
Trying to step on the thing.
What are you doing?
Come here, Bear.
Getting nosy?
Getting moving.
I don't even know what it is.
So that thing didn't take a battery, huh?
Uh-uh.
Well, Lord knows it's not going to run forever like that. You have to see that thing for a second, please, sir.
It doesn't have a lifetime guaranteed battery in it.
The odds are highly against it.
How does it work?
Don't you think?
Yep. Really? Leave it alone. Aaron, please. We don't have it turning like that.
Well, that definitely makes the longest noises, this one here.
That's a bomb.
Back up on the back part of the pole every day.
Pay him to do what?
Oh, it's a paper man.
Here's my iPhone. Here. Here, Chrissy. Chrissy. No actually thing? Take off.
That means they gotta hand the telephone.
Sounds like a telephone to me.
Hello?
Please call your mother. Eric, fly your helicopter over there and bring me that newspaper. Man.
Until you,
Don't you dare.
Yeah, play it on Cuba.
yeah. So the advantage of this then, as to that one that I have, is the camera's just a little bit smaller,
Mm-hmm.
and the tape is just a little bit smaller.
Well, what size is yours?
Mine's, mini cam.
Okay, well, that seems to be a relatively common tape to find in different places.
Yeah, this is not hard to find.
No, that hasn't been a problem at all.
I noticed one thing, when you take yours out and stick it inside of a VHS tape, you don't have that. You probably could get that.
Uh-huh.
Might. Oh, no, I know you wouldn't, because, see, mine is a half-inch tape. So it's basically the same size. The tape itself is the same size as the tape that goes in there.
Okay.
This is not the same size, so
No,
you wouldn't
it's
be able
not.
to do that.
Okay.
You have to play it off that
Okay.
and record it on your machine.
Yes.
That's the only way you'd be able to, play it on the machine. That's where the difference is. Well, one of the differences anyway. But they make the half-inch mini cam is basically about the same size as that.
We've had that for a good while now.
It's smart.
You got to put it on Dominos.
I wouldn't bet on it.
Really?
You ready, Mom?
No. If we're gonna do it, we're gonna do it right.
This piece, Mom, all these here are for
Somebody accidentally hit the right.
Right, so I moved to do it.
You sure? You sure?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Well, I want to see how to get the rocket to go off. How's that work?
1. Yes, coward. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You gotta bite the bullet sometime.
Blast off.
His thing got stuck with the magnet there. Can you believe that?
No, wait.
After all that, what you know.
Oh,
There's so
help.
many things in life that doesn't always
And I
But
worked
we
so
noticed-
hard to get it all together.
And we noticed that Aaron had the key to flexibility there.
You had the key.
Demolition derby.
Okay, I'm gonna get the second cup and we're gonna get that
I finished. The box. Is his stuff?
Yes, it does, because they won't stand still if they don't.
Be still, Aaron.
I'm just getting ready.
Alright. Be still now.
Stephen, when it goes off, you need to move back a little bit so I can get all that in the
Move.
picture. Stephen.
What, you're not getting the rocket in there?
You ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
It's good. Looking good.
Uh-oh.
Oh, after all that work, 2 seconds and it was gone. Okay, you've seen it work, now let's put it up to home.
Is that your camcorder? It's little.
Here we are taking a picture of... Let the righteous be glad.
Hello, hello, hello. Do you know where Auntie is? You know
Uh-huh.
I said where?
She's at church.
Where?
She's at church.
I said hello, hello, hello now. Is it on? Is it on?
I think she went to brush her teeth, John Michael.
Justin, can I go outside with
Yep,
the other
excuse me.
boys? Can I
Nope,
go outside?
stay in the house.
Oh,
Let the righteous be glad.
I'm taller than you, Justin. See?
Let the righteous...
Brian taller than you. Huh?
Let the righteous be... I'm not doing that now.
Huh?
I'm not doing that now.
What? You're not recording?
Talking about whatever you're talking about. Don't stand in front of the camera. Everybody, slow down. Settle down. I'm telling you. I can't understand why this thing's so wobbly here. Cheap, that's the
Those
reason.
things are something else. You know, when I was little, my dad took those 8mm movies. He never heard any sound. But Ted's got some of Danny talking, you know, and Christmas and all that.
Oh, they're good, huh?
Can you imagine what he's gonna? I hope they'll last for years, though.
I think they will.
Can you imagine what he's gonna think when he shows that to his children?
I know. And plus, like that.